In this video, I will talk more about elevation and depression angles. When you look up at an object, you will get an angle of elevation. If you look down at an object, you will get the angle of depression. For angle of elevation and the angle of depression, you need to remember these two angles always formed by this horizontal line. In other words, the horizontal line will be the side of elevation angle or depression angle. So when you draw angle of elevation or depression, first of all, you need to draw a horizontal line. Let's go to 2A. A buoy is floating in the sea and can be seen from the top of a vertical cliff. A boat is traveling from the base of the cliff directly towards the buoy. The top of the cliff is 142 meters. It's here. This is a cliff above sea level. Currently, the boat is 100 meters from the buoy, and the angle of depression from the top of a cliff to the boat is 64 degrees. So we have this distance. It's 100 meters. Draw and label the angle of depression on the diagram. We want to draw the depression angle from a cliff to the boat. So we connect cliff and a boat, this line. Then you need to draw the horizontal line. The horizontal line will be from the cliff. So passing through the cliff, that will be this horizontal line. Then this angle will be 64 degrees. Since these two lines are horizontal lines, therefore, we could say this angle also equals 64 degrees because these two are alternate interior angles. For 2B, find x. This is x. We already know this is 64 degrees. This is a right triangle. Therefore, using SOHCAHTOA, we will label from 64 degrees. We know this is an opposite side. We are looking for this x. X is the adjacent side. Using SOHCAHTOA, we know this opposite and adjacent. Opposite and adjacent. Therefore, we got to use a tangent. Tangent 64 degrees equals opposite, that's 142 over x. We'll put this over 1. Then cross multiply. The same line with the variable will go to denominator. Therefore, the x equals tangent 64 degrees go to denominator. 1 times 142 is 142. So we will put into graphing calculator. We will write down the full answer, 69.2580. This will be the full answer. The three significant digits will be 69.3 meters. Now let's go to number 3. Find the distance from the top of the cliff to the buoy. Let's label, this is a A, here's a B, this is a C. This will be the D. Basically, we are looking for the distance from A to C. Let's label the distance of AC as Y. So in right triangle, ABC, we already know AB equals 142 and BC equals 69.3 plus 100. That is 169.3. For AC, that is Y equals, using Pythagorean theorem, you will get 142 squared plus 169.3 squared. Then you do square root. You will get Y equals. Through graphing calculator, we will get the 220.9671 meters. Let's go to 3A. AC is a vertical communications tower with its base at C. The tower has an observation desk D, 3/4 of the way to the top of a tower. From a point B, the horizontal ground 250 meters from C, the angle of elevation of D is 48 degrees. Calculate CD, the height of the observation deck above the ground. For 3A, we are looking for CD. In right triangle, this BCD. We know the CD will be the object, and BC is adjacent according to angle B. Therefore, using SOHCAHTOA, we are given O and A. We are supposed to use tangent. Tangent 48 degrees equals CD over 250. This is over 1, then cross multiply. The same line with the variable go to denominator. Over 1, you don't have to write, so we can do 250 times tangent 48 degrees. You will get 277.6531 as a full answer. It will be 278 meters as three significant figures. Let's go to 3D. Calculate the angle of a depression from A to B. First of all, we need to connect this A and B. Then you need to draw the horizontal line passing through A, because they said from A. This is a horizontal line. Therefore, we know this angle are depression angle. We are looking for this, let me label, this is E. So angle EAB are depression angle. This angle will be equal to angle ABC because these two lines are parallel lines. And these two angles, they are equal because they are alternate interior angles. We already know this side, and we know this CD is 278 meters. Look at the given information. The tower has an observation deck D 3/4 of the way to the top of the tower A. 3/4, that means 3/4. In other words, if AC is 4, this will be 3, this is 1. Or you could say it's 3/4 and 1/4. We need to figure out this AC. We already know CD. So the ratio CD over AC, that equals CD is 3, AC will be 4. That equals CD is 278. AC, let's look for that. So cross multiply. So AC equals 4 times 278 over 3. I don't want to calculate this out. I just use the whole thing to stand for this AC. Therefore, in this right triangle ABC, AC is opposite, BC is adjacent. Using the SOHCAHTOA, we are given opposite and adjacent. Then we have to use a tangent. So tangent angle ABC equals AC over BC. So we put in the number. AC, that is 4 times 278 over 3. BC, that is 250. So you put this into graphing calculator, you will get you will get 1.4826. Therefore, the angle ABC equals inverse tangent of 1.4826. Through graphing calculator, you will get 56.0 degree.